After a short rest, we start our afternoon program. We are going on a tour to the Mae Klong Train Market and to Amphawa for the floating market and a boat tour. At the travel agency, we are getting on the bus and off we go. It's quite a drive. Mae Klong is about 70 kilometers southwest of Bangkok. Reaching Mae Klong. From the parking lot, it's just a few steps to the train market. We have reached the Mae Klong Train Market. It's very crowded. There are many local customers, but also many tourists. Mainly food is sold here. The stands are very close to the railway tracks, and the customers walk on the tracks. Everything looks very tasty. We are walking towards the railway station. Some kind of ice cream, I think. Tasty frogs. At the train station. Through the train station. This is the end of the train station. A few steps more and we reach the end of the tracks, directly in front of the Mae Klong River. Back through the train station. And back into the train market again. It is a wonderful market. Preparation for the train to come. The tracks are cleared and now everybody is waiting for the train. Here the train is coming. train is passing. We need to go back and get on the van. Now we are going to Amphawa, which is not too far away. To get to the Amphawa floating market, we have to cross the Bootstour river. Walking along the river, there are many shops. Not fully sure what is swimming here. Many nice things to buy. Excellent seafood. Not fully sure what kind of drink this is, but many people want to buy it. It is quite a big market. Mini sushi. Everything looks so tasty. From the bridges, one has the best view. This looks so delicious. This red drink tastes very well. Now let's have some soup. This one is very good. And this is also very good. And we have a nice view of the river. Tourist boats are passing by. Kitchens are very often on boats. Let's have a beer, some salad and some seafood. The salad is very spicy, the sauce is very spicy too. This is very good and it is also excellent. This is the kitchen. Good peanuts ice cream. Now we need to leave the floating market in order to reach our boat tour in time. Let's start our boat tour. Through a small channel. Having reached the Mae Klong River, actually this is a boat tour to see the fireflies. We saw a lot of fireflies, but I cannot show them to you. You just see black as the luminous intensity of the fireflies is very low. So if you want to see the fireflies, you need to come yourself. My camera is too weak for the fireflies. I'm wondering which camera could be used for fireflies. Going back. The floating market is beautiful at night. Going back to Bangkok. A long drive through the night. Back in Bangkok. Here we want to eat sukiyaki. Sukiyaki with shrimp, to be more precise. Buying some water. I'm still hungry, so we eat something at the restaurant next to our hotel. Spring rolls and Chinese pork noodle soup with spaghetti. This was a long day and we're saying goodbye, but the travel continues. See you.